I never smoked or drank, but I still got cancer. How? That is what many people ask. Cancer can happen to anyone. It makes us scared and unsure. To understand cancer, we need to look inside our bodies, at the tiny cells. We have trillions of them. They grow, split, and die in a special way. But sometimes, things go wrong. Cancer is like a fight inside us. One tiny cell changes and does not follow the rules anymore. It grows too fast and makes a lump called a tumor. This lump messes up how our bodies work. Our cells have instructions called genes. Mistakes in these instructions, called mutations, can cause cancer. We can be born with these mistakes, get them as we get older, or get them from things around us. Some things that cause cancer we cannot control, but many we can. Smoking, drinking too much, eating unhealthy food, not moving enough, and bad things in our environment can all cause those mistakes in our cells. But do not worry, we can fight back. Do not smoke, keep a healthy weight, eat good food like fruits and veggies, stay active, and be careful in the sun. These things can help protect you. Fighting cancer early is super important. Go to the doctor for regular checkups. They can do special tests to find cancer early when it is easier to treat. Cancer grows step by step. It starts with one bad cell, then grows bigger, then spreads to other parts of the body. If we find it early, it is easier to stop. There are many ways to treat cancer. Doctors can do surgery to take out the bad lump, give you medicine to kill the bad cells, or use special treatments to help your body fight back. People all over the world are working to understand cancer and find better treatments. There is always hope for new and better ways to fight this disease. Cancer is tough, but many people beat it. Their stories give us hope and show us that we can be strong too. Cancer is a problem for everyone. But if we learn about it, talk about it, and take care of ourselves, we can lower our chances of getting it. We can fight it together and make a healthier world. Like this video and subscribe to learn more. Take care of yourself, get checkups, and do not be afraid to ask questions. We can beat cancer together.